Janine, my friend.
One of her friends. Yo, do you want to sip?
The official fragrance of Mabuhay Festival, and they have scents that you can actually smell. So, you know, this is kind of we're starting off with rice. It's called Mabuhay. Awesome. And next is what do we have after embraces? After you love your something, that's the So after you love and you have fun, then the next one will be just say yes. O, diba? So it's a pattern. I think we know where we're going here. So if you want us to experience the journey of your fragrance, go with Sinta right here. But we're gonna have a harana with Sinta today, okay? Because in the Philippines, harana is actually a timeless tradition, which means serenade, right, Cynthia? That's right. And
May titignan lang kami nito tawanan today.
yes, so someone's going to serenade Cynthia. It's serenading a woman to court, expressing affection through music. So back in the day, sino po ang kinahalo ng mga asawa niya? Meron po ba? Ay, si ate ata ba? Pero ate, your Canadian partner there was nag-aharana sa'yo? Ayun. So I think he knows what it is. But shout out to you guys. Thank you. And also, of course, we sing to this Sinta, right? Sinta. The one was called Sinta because her name is Cynthia Miranda. And Sinta is actually a Portuguese from love and devotion. Yeah. So we're gonna have some love and devotion here. We're gonna bring out some special singer who's really amazing. He actually performed, he was contested back in 2003. And he's Filipino-Canadian. So without further ado, should we call him Cynthia?
Oh yes, is DK in the house?
Yes. So once again, palakpakan po natin. Let's give a big hand for DK Tiham. Daming fans on.
Hello, DK Talents. I'm gonna do this for you, Cynthia.
Thank you.
Okay. Why don't I serenade you with a beautiful modern love song, and to all of you too. How about we give a hand to and love to Sinta? Come on, guys. Round of applause for Sinta. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pagkamalikiran ng hirap at ng bulong ng sa huling sinta sa huling palagi. Boy, you guys, thank you so much for the love. Congratulations. Thank you for your talent.
Next time. You want to do it one more time? No, just one more time.
Thank you very much. Give it up for DKTM and of course, the CEO and founder of Sinta Fragrance, Sinta World right there. Ready na po ba kayo kay Janine? Are you ready? Ayan. But before that, Ian is here. Just want to thank a couple of our sponsors for being here. Because without them, wala po tayo ngayon dito. Alright? So let's start off with TD. DSCI Homes.
Halo-halo yan instead of ice cream.
Philippine Airlines. By the way, Philippine Airlines has a promotion right now. If you visit their booth, it's just special right here for our Mabuhay Festival.
Want your own?
WFG, which is a World Financial Group. RLC is a flag right there. We want some condos. Same thing with FDC. We have properties all the way from the Philippines. We have Sinta, Starbucks, Yuma, Alak Wine. We tried Alak Wine, ALAQ. Filipino Canadian program. And also, maybe and Air Canada. Sponsors. So we have our VIPs coming. Mga Genie fans! Sino Genie fans? Ayan. Diba? Ano yung latest show niya? Ayan. Saan yung pinanood? Sa bahay. Siyempre sa bahay. Sa Amazon Prime, right? So you're watching her show. Alam mo yung Genie? She's a award-winning actress. So yung mga Genie
Basta na, direct-shot naman. Sorry for announcement. Ako, nawawala lang po yun.
It's a bit sad. This one. Okay.